This is fit for a 2014 through 2018 and possibly beyond Land Rover, Range Rover, Sport. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack 2500 Vortex base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex load bars in black, 59 inches in length, the 2500 legs, which include locks, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber base pads and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is part number DK408. The bars are in a fixed position at 29.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight load capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.